Hi guys, welcome to my latest project. This is J-Kit Alta Vista located in Newport Beach. The last time that you guys saw it, we were in a complete renovation process. I clearly was not pregnant, so it's been a long journey. We've actually been remodeling this home for over a year, and it is a high-end spec house, which means we're flipping it so that we can sell it for a profit. So I want you guys to come on in, check out the before and afters, and then see the entire transformation. So we're now standing in the entry foyer, and the thing that I love best about it is double height ceiling. Originally, we had this really old traditional wood staircase here. We demolished the entire thing, opened the space up, created a brand new landing, a really cool custom wine cellar, and now you can see the entire home just from the entry. So we're taking you right into the great room, and it's great, guys. It's so huge. I love that there's little different pods and different conversation areas. So there's a really grand living area and a really cool little lounge area, just so that when you entertain guests, they have different zones that they can partake in. Before, the great room just looked really dingy and dirty. It had like a huge bar to the side, almost like a sunken living room. It was just a really odd space. So what we did was demolish all of the built-in cabinetry, created this grand open space. I kept the fireplace stone. You guys saw in my Insta stories that it was just this really kind of like cabin-ishy stone. I had them whitewash and paint over the entire thing, and now we're living in this like coastal Newport Beach dream. Before, we had this really tiny entertainment niche right here. You can see how the scale was completely off for a TV to fit in this area and for the size of this room to be massive. So what I did was knock that down, create a little credenza instead. So now the TV is better relegated to this entire wall area where the scale and proportion is so much better. One of my favorite things about the great room are these ceiling beam niches. The original owner wanted to get rid of it completely, but I thought it was such an amazing opportunity to line wallpaper from beam to beam. So now not only does this create a really cozy seating area, but it just draws your eye up and gives this room so much texture and warmth to it. One of my favorite things about this great room is that we used to have French doors here. We knocked down this entire expanse of French doors and wall and created the sliding glass wall. So you're able to open the doors on the side, and then all of these sliders stack up against each other to create this really beautiful indoor-outdoor veranda. Let's take you guys on into the kitchen. We're now standing in the kitchen, and before there wasn't even this massive grand entry. The kitchen entry was off from the dining room, so what I did was open this entire expanse and created this really beautiful bleached oak custom kitchen that just feels so coastal, so light, so bright, and so modern. One of my favorite things about the kitchen is all the custom cabinetry and how it's offset with this really beautiful brass hardware. We mimic that brass hardware all over, from the cabinet handles to the lighting to the faucets and the pot filler. Before, the kitchen just had a really awkward design. It was long and linear. So after we knocked down these walls, we were able to create a central island in a very square shape. The square shape anchors the kitchen and becomes this really cool, casual, built-in dining area. Since we lacked a built-in pantry, what I created was wall-to-wall cabinetry. So this is almost like a runoff zone and an extra buffet area for everything that you don't have to store in the kitchen. We're going to create shelves here and put almost like a little wine bar coffee station. So it feels like a really casual coastal place to kind of dine in, live in, and entertain your guests in. Let's move on to the rest of the space. So we're now standing in the central formal dining room, and I love that the dining room is kind of off from the entry foyer. I know that's not typical, but what I love is that we have so many doors that we can open up and it'll be like indoor-outdoor living, which is very SoCal cool. One of the greatest things about having this formal dining room right off from the entry is that it's right next to our custom wine cellar. Clearly, you'll be entertaining guests all night long. So now let's take you on a tour of the rest of the first floor. We have this beautiful ensuite guest room that's hidden right on the first floor. This is the perfect spot for your mother-in-law's quarter or just for visiting guests. The guest room is also complete with its own ensuite bathroom and its own standing shower. Okay, so from the guest room, we also have a powder bathroom that's hidden right in this little alcove. I love all of the finishes in the space. It's got this really beautiful stone veneer that's right on the walls and a beautiful cabinet that we got from Restoration Hardware. So we've got a really special treat in here. It is the theater. I love this little theater because it almost acts like a really cool casual lounge area, whether or not you just need like a cozy place to watch movies or the kids need a place that's away from the adults. So this is the entry from the garage, and we created this wall-to-wall custom mudroom with all of these amazing shelves. Who doesn't want this to be the first area that you throw your bags, your shoes, all your junk before you enter the house? Now that we finished the first floor, let's take you up to the second floor. So we just entered the second level loft, and the first thing I had to do was knock out this expansive windows and create this really gorgeous picture window so you can see all of Newport Beach from here. I love that this is a casual family lounge area for the kids to watch TV or for you to just kind of kick it and relax. So now let's take you to the master suite. Architecturally, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. I love that it has this kind of hipped roof and it's vaulted so that the ceilings are gargantuous and super high. The ceilings became a prime opportunity for us to install these distressed wood beams anchored by this beautiful distressed chandelier. I think the master bedroom is just so coastal glam and something I would love to live in. Let's head into the master bathroom. I love this master bathroom. The first thing I knew I wanted to do was demolish the entire thing and create like a his and hers kind of bathroom suite. We lined the floors and the shower with all marble. I have this custom lavatory we built with this marble waterfall countertop, and it encases these really beautiful oak vanity drawers. To the sides of me, we have his and hers walk-in closets. We also have a walk-in water closet to the rear, and of course, this beautiful soaking tub. It's the perfect spot to relax after a long day. Let's head to the other wing. So now we also have this guest bathroom that's right across from the kids' room, and I've lined the entire bathroom with this really beautiful Dolce white marble. It runs from the floor all the way up into the shower alcove. So directly across from the guest bathroom is a guest room. In this case, the stager staged it as a kid's room, which I think is super cute. It has its own built-in bench, which I think is a perfect spot for a reading nook, and an accordion door closet right to my rear. The thing that I love about this house is that every single bedroom has architectural detailing. We've got beautiful bay windows over here. We have a large picture window in the loft. Every room creates a different mood. So now let's head on to the other master suite. We've got a laundry to the left and a second master suite on the opposite side of the second floor. This second master suite is massive. We also have an ensuite bathroom so that both of these masters don't compete with each other. You can see that there's a cozy little seating area here. I mean, I could see this style with like 2 little club chairs or even like a long, comfy day bed. One last bathroom right in here. I custom designed every single bathroom from the ground up. I picked all of the finishes, I customized all of the drawer faces, from the wall sconces, lighting, mirrors, faucets. This is what I do, guys. I absolutely love the finishing touches of every single renovation. And before, we didn't even have a bathroom here. We created this bathroom and walk-in closet for this master suite because what Newport Beach home doesn't have 2 master bedrooms? Thank you so much for watching this before and after home tour renovation of my latest project in Newport Beach. If you guys want to see more images and a little bit more footage from the entire progress, click the hashtag JKidAltaVista. We'll link it down below. If you like this type of content or if you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop me a line in the comment section below. You guys know that I always read it. And as always, clearly I'm an interior designer. The thing that I love most is renovating and remodeling homes. While the channel isn't predominantly all about my interior design projects, what I hope to show you is more of the back-end interior design renovations, remodeling from the ground up, so hopefully this inspires your future dream home. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.